America's tech giants face more than 5 hours of drilling by the US congressmen and lawmakers over violation of antitrust practices. What does that mean? That means using unfair trade practices by companies to create a monopoly in the market by crushing their rival and restraining competition. Google's Sundar Pichai, Apple's Tim Cook, Amazon's Jeff Bezos, and Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg, which have combined worth more than $5 trillion, faced remote interrogation by the US lawmakers and were termed too big and too powerful. In first of its kind antitrust hearing, the CEOs faced rapid fire questions for 5 minutes each. Democrat Representative David Cicilline even accused companies of having a harmful economic effects, crushing entrepreneurship, destroying jobs, hike cost and degrade the quality. The CEOs defended themselves and said their companies were by America and for America, but they failed to answer when it came to their company policies and business practices. Google and Facebook faced the maximum wrath of the lawmakers over stealing content and threat to acquire their rival company Instagram respectively. Bezos, the owner of online giant Amazon, was questioned over breaching of data privacy. As US-China relations are at its worst, Apple CEO Tim was asked a clarification on why does he prefer China to manufacture its iPhones. Amazon was questioned over its listing of 80 Chinese companies and use of Uyghur bonded labor. However, Bezos did not say much. Such kind of hearing was a significant event in the US and was one of its kind. Since few days, social media has been flooded with black and white photos of women with the hashtag challenge accepted. While most people are assuming it to be another feminism movement, the cause is much deeper than that. The hashtag challenge accepted has been used several times for different movements like cancer awareness in 2016, and since then it has been used on and off for raising awareness around such large issues. This time the hashtag is used around social media to raise awareness about femicide and domestic violence in Turkey. Turkey is one of those countries where women are facing femicide in a large amount. According to the We Will Stop Femicide online platform, in 2020 alone, 27 women were murdered by their jealous spouses, partners, or in honor killings, while 23 suspected femicide has been recorded. The daily killings of women in horrible ways and government's ignorance towards this crime sent shockwaves through Turkey, which led to street protests and origin of this hashtag trend on social media. The black and white photo challenge started in Turkey as a way for women to raise their voices and to stand in solidarity with the women country have lost, to show that one day it could be their picture and is plastered across news outlets with black and white filter on top. Now many people from different countries including India has begun with participating in this cause. A Turkish Twitter user, Iman Patel, shared the reason behind the challenge and requested to share the real reason behind the origin of it and with people who want to support this movement so that message does not get lost in translation and so that the challenge won't lose its real meaning. July 29th is celebrated across the world as International Tiger Day to raise awareness about the decreasing number of tigers who are on the brink of extinction and to encourage tiger conservation. International Tiger Day was created in 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia. In the summit, governments of tiger-populated countries vowed to double tiger population by 2022. Almost a decade has passed since then. According to the report released on the eve of Global Tiger Day, tigers were observed to be increasing at a rate of 6% per annum in India from 2006 to 2018. India is especially important for International Tiger Day as the country currently has 75% of all tigers on the planet. According to the World Wildlife Fund, around 3,900 tigers remain in the wild across the globe. Since the beginning of 20th century, over 95% of the world's tiger population is lost. Since the tiger is an umbrella species, its conservation enables the conservation of the entire ecosystem. Several studies have shown that tiger reserves form new species, which are found practically every year. Tiger reserves have also improved the water regime in regions where they are located. The idea behind International Tiger Day has always been to spread awareness, making more and more people understand why tigers are important and what is the threat to their survival, which was the reason for the selection of this topic for this week's News Fix.